Good morning, dear student. Today we are going to learn next topic of our GK subject, that is odd one out. So dear students, here are 9 groups of pictures. In each group, one picture does not belong to the group. So observe this picture carefully and put a cross on the odd picture. So the first one has been done for you. See the pictures of animals. Some animals pictures are given in this slide. So the animals are cow, tiger, buffalo and horse. So you have to find one picture that does not belong to the group. You have to find one picture that does not belong to this group. So dear students, tell me which picture is not belong to this group. Yes, this is already done for you, that is tiger. So tell me, why tiger? Because cow, buffalo and horse, these are pet animals and only tiger is wild animals. So that's why this animal is not belong to this group. So we are going to cross on this tiger. Got it everyone? These 3 are pet animals and only one animal is wild animal. Now next one. Now students, again same thing. Again you have to observe this picture carefully. There are 4 animals. Lion, bear, goat and elephant. Now from these 4 pictures, there is only one animal, that is pet animal, and 3 animals are wild animals. Which are the wild animals from this picture? Yes, lion, bear and elephant. These 3 animals are wild animal, and from this picture only one is pet animal, that is goat. Now we are going to cross on goat. Okay, do you understand? Now next pictures. See, there are some birds. See, peacock, parrot, pigeon and deer. Now you tell me which picture does not belong to this group. Is it pigeon? No. Is it parrot? No. It is deer. Why deer? Because peacock, parrot and pigeon, these 3 are birds. And only deer is animal. So we are going to put a cross on the animal, that is deer. Okay. Now see next pictures. Again same concept, that is 3 are birds and 1 is animal. So which are the birds? Yes, owl, swan and crane. These 3 are birds and 1 is animal, that is otter. So our cross is going to this word or this animal, that is otter. So put a cross on this odd picture, that is otter. Now next slide. See the pictures are, first picture is rose. This is a flower. Second one is brinjal. Is it flower? No, this is a vegetable. Third one is jasmine. Is it vegetable? No, these are flowers. This is a flower. And the last one is lotus. Last one is lotus, and this is also flower. Now tell me, which picture does not belong to this group? Which? Jasmine? No. The correct answer is brinjal. Why brinjal? Because brinjal is vegetable and all three are flowers. All these three pictures are flowers. So next slide. Again observe this picture carefully and find out your answer. See, first picture is lady's finger, second is bottle gourd, third one is sunflower, and last one is bitter gourd. So what is your answer? The answer is yes, that is sunflower. Why sunflower? Because all these three are vegetables and only sunflower is flower, is the type of flower. So we are going to cross on sunflower. Got it, everyone? Now see next slide. Oh, now observe this picture very carefully. So the pictures are given. First picture is tree, second one is zebra, third one is chair, and the last one is butterfly. Now dear students, tell me which picture does not belong to this group. Which is odd one out? Is it tree? No. Is it butterfly? No. It is chair. It is chair. Why chair? Why this chair is not belong to this picture? These are all not birds. These all are not animals. These all three pictures are not belongs to plant or trees. So why chair? Because these three are living things. These three are living things. They can fly, they can walk, they can grow. But chair is non-living thing. Living thing means sajiv and non-living thing means निर्जीव. निर्जीव वस्तू जी हालचाल करू शकत नाही, चालू शकत नाही, बोलू शकत नाही किंवा जिला अन्नाची पाण्याची गरज भासत नाही, तिला आपण काय म्हणणार? निर्जीव वस्तू, नॉन लिव्हिंग थिंग. आणि लिव्हिंग थिंग म्हणजे सजीव. सजीवांना अन्नाची गरज असते, ते चालतात, उडतात, पळतात किंवा त्यांना विशिष्ट प्रकारची एक वाढ असते. सो our answer goes to the picture chair. So got it? Living things and non-living things. This chair is non-living thing. So don't forget it, keep it in mind. Now see next. Yeah, same thing. Same things. Three are non-living things. In this picture, in first picture we have seen three living things and one non-living thing. Now in this picture, three are non-living things and one is living thing. So tell me, which is the living thing? Is it telephone? Is it walk? Is it grow? No. Is it bell? No. The living thing is sheep. So we are going to cross out the picture that is sheep, because only this is living thing. Pencil, bell and telephone, these three are non-living things. So put a cross on only ship. Now next one, same thing. What? 3 are non-living things and 1 is living thing. Living thing can fly, can eat, can grow, can walk, and living thing has sound also. So these 3 are non-living things. Which are the non-living things from this picture? Yes, bat, racket and ball. These 3 are non-living things and only one is living thing, that is sparrow. That is sparrow. So put a cross on this sparrow. Yes, correct. So I hope all you understood this topic. You just have to find out which picture or which thing does not belong to the group, and then you have to put a cross on this odd picture. You have to put a cross on this odd picture. Got it, everyone? Yes, very good. Now dear students, see your homework and classwork. Today we have same homework as well as same classwork. So first you have to write all these questions in your notebook, in your classwork notebook. See, first cow, tiger, buffalo, horse. Second one is lion, bear, goat, elephant. Third one is peacock, parrot, pigeon, deer. Fourth one is owl, swan, otter, crane. Fifth one is rose, brinjal, jasmine, lotus. Next one, lady's finger, wattle gourd, sunflower, bitter gourd. Next one, tree, zebra, chair, butterfly. Next one, pencil, sheep, bell, telephone. And the last one is bat, racket, ball, sparrow. So, dear students, from these you have to find out one by one, odd one out. You have to circle them as or you cross them. So first is done for you, that is tiger. So for you I circle this word. After you circle or cross it. So complete this classwork in your classwork notebook, and same thing is this is your homework also. This is your homework also. So complete this classwork, cross odd one out or circle odd one out one by one. Then after copy this classwork to your homework notebook and learn it. Write your spelling correctly, properly. Handwriting should be neat and clear. Write down your date, day as well as your topic name. So, thank you all of you. Have a nice day.